This is the best $200 mistake I've ever made. I was recording my most recent YouTube video when my tripod tipped over, and the phone survived, but the DJI receiver did not. So I opted to upgrade to the DJI Mic 2 instead. And within just the first few minutes of using it, I realized there's something different about the Mic 2 that totally changes how I do video. You can now play back video that you just shot without unplugging the receiver from your iPhone. Now, this may sound like a very minor change, but if you've ever used the original DJI Mic with an iPhone, you know exactly what I'm talking about. The original mic was detected by the iPhone as a set of headphones, and so when you would try to play back videos that you just recorded, it would try to play back through the receiver, which obviously doesn't work, and you would have to unplug the receiver to listen to the audio. So if you're doing audio checks, you'd have to plug it in, unplug it, plug it in, and unplug it, which was a very frustrating experience. Now with the DJI Mic 2, it's recognized as a microphone only, so you can shoot the recording and then immediately play it back from your iPhone and hear what it sounds like without having to unplug anything. It just makes the experience so much faster. Of course, there's all the features that have already been covered by other reviewers, my favorite of which is the dial that makes it so much easier to navigate the menus. No more working with a clunky touchscreen. Instead, there's a tactile dial that you can click in on, and it just makes navigating the menus such a better experience. You can also change the gain of the receiver and the transmitter without ever going into a menu. It's fantastic. Then the build quality is greatly improved. And also you can tell there's a lot of little intentional changes. It's clear that DJI has listened to their customers and addressed a lot of the complaints from the first generation. And I am very happy to see that in this model. But for me, this one change of being able to play back audio without unplugging the receiver has been the biggest upgrade. It's not as obvious as some of the other features, but in day-to-day practical use, it's made the biggest difference in how I make videos. Honestly, that's why this ended up being the best $200 mistake I've ever made.